India gained a new institute in the form of National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research, or NISPA, to give a new direction to the field of science communication and STI policy research. On 14th January, Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan inaugurated the centre by unveiling the foundation stone of the institute. NISPA has been formed by merging two institutes of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the National Institute of Science Communication and Information Sources, or NISCARE, and the National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies, or NISTADS. The expertise and strength of both the institutes will help NISPA to adopt a new vision and to meet the expectations.
Mini autonomous body review was undertaken some years ago, whether we can actually rationalize all the autonomous bodies in the country or not. And CSIR also was reviewed as a part of that particular mega review of all the autonomous bodies. And one of the major recommendations in CSIR was to merge different institutes such as NISCARE and NISTAD. So this is the first step. Merger is not only namesake merger, but what we aim to bring together is many people who work together in NISTAD and NISCARE together, and they are complementary to each other. Their strengths together so that they can guide nation's science policy for future. And also the way science policy is formulated to communicate it to general public in future. That's the idea.
CSIR NISCARE was a frontier institute in science communication and published science magazines and science journals. It was also managing the oldest national science library in the country and was also the custodian of the National Knowledge Resource Consortium. Similarly, CSIR NISTADS was known for its research in S&T policy. Over the years, it gained a rich experience in the area of history of science, S&T and society, and has accomplished many related projects. Both these institutes were working at the interface of S&T and society and science communication. The new institute will strive to become a globally respected think tank and resource center for understanding science, technology and innovation policy research and communication. The institute will also do the same among diverse stakeholders and act as a bridge at the interface of science, technology, industry and society.
आप देखेंगे साइंस पॉलिसी के बहुत कम इंस्टीट्यूट्स पूरे देश भर में हैं। साइंस पॉलिसी क्या है वही लोगों को नहीं पता है, तो साइंस कम्युनिकेशन के माध्यम से हम साइंस पॉलिसी के बारे में भी लोगों को बता पाएंगे, ताकि समाज को साइंस के जो फल हैं उसका मैक्सिमम फ़ायदा मिल सके। तो एक सिनर्जिज्म मैं देखती हूँ नए इंस्टीट्यूशन में, और एक नई ऊर्जा। कई बार हमारा सोचने का तरीका एक तरह का हो जाता है जब हम एक ही संस्था में काम करते रहते हैं। अब जब ये नई संस्था बनेगी और इसमें जब दोनों संस्थाओं के वैज्ञानिक आपस में मिलेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है एक नई सोच निकल के आएगी।
The Government of India promotes minimum government and maximum governance. Under this approach, institutions with similar objectives are being merged to increase their functionality and outcomes. NISPA has also been established to define and achieve new positioning.